It's really simple. To conserve water, I would say just pretend like it's valuable, because it is. Think of it as a valuable commodity, and you will find you shower less, you will find you brush your teeth quicker, and you will find you water your lawn a little more carefully. Just pretend like it's valuable, because it is.
All right, so we're at H2Awesome put on by the City of Guelph, an absolutely amazing event. As you can see, the vibe is really cool. The kids are stoked about this. Learning about water today. I just finished up my storm chasing presentation. It was a lot of fun, having a blast. So water is a huge part of our culture. For example, with storms, water covers 75% of our Earth, and it's a large determinant of what happens with our weather, with La Nina, El Nino warming out, where all of our systems come from. So this is really cool that we're covering it here today, amongst other things that these kids are taking part in.
Water is important because water is the basis of everything on Earth. Water is essentially life, and everything needs it to survive. We're made up of 80% water, and that's why it's so important to make sure that we protect it and preserve it for future generations.
This event is invaluable in educating our youth about the importance of water in our daily lives. The City of Guelph is unique in that we are one of the largest municipalities in North America that gets its drinking water from the ground. Guelph's population is projected to grow substantially, and with this growth comes increased demands on our water supply. This festival is important to challenge grade 8s to think about how they use water and how they can conserve it in the future.
So at this lab, we're looking at our rock core, which is from the Gasport Formation, which is where the city's water supply comes from. So the lighter gray stuff is where we're looking at the vugs and stalactites and where the fractures are, so figure out what the water-bearing zones are. And we did already look at the top of the aromosa, which is the aquitard, which protects our water supply.
Engaging with the community is a really important part of the work that Wellington Water Watchers is doing. And being with H2Awesome involves bringing in individuals from all parts of our community to lead students in all kinds of workshops. So we have artists, musicians, engineers, biologists, dancers, that each of them are offering their own unique teachings on water to the students.
Okay, so what we're doing here, which is an awesome activity, is we have these students, these grade 8 students here, identifying benthic creatures, insects out of streams, and we're rating the stream on the insects that are in the stream. So we have insects here from downtown Guelph, and we got it from Blue Springs Creek, and we're finding that there's many more sensitive insects up in Blue Springs Creek than there is down in the middle of Guelph. So let's clean up the water in the Guelph area is the message we're trying to give here.
H2Awesome!
Well, I think it was a really great experience today, being able to share ideas of dance and theater with curious young people who are looking for creative ways to express their thoughts and feelings about water, be it appreciation or concern, and that the arts, and particularly dance and physical expression, has a key role to play in that kind of an understanding and awareness of the world.
One of the great things about H2Awesome is that it allows us to have a wonderful collaborative partnership among a number of groups in the city. So today's event involved the Wellington Catholic District School Board, the Upper Grand District School Board, Wellington Water Watchers, and the City of Guelph in partnership together to put together a program for kids that allows them to learn all kinds of great things about water and allows us to all have great partnerships and work together.
I'm Megan Hessler and I'm with the Upper Grand District School Board. And during H2Awesome, our grade 8 students get to select from 23 different workshops that they can participate in to learn more about water in our environment. So today we have kids painting, dancing, making songs, learning about how to be community activists, and all kinds of different things based on their interests and their learning styles.